Good morning and Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I'm Amna Shoaib, your SST teacher. I hope all of you are enjoying your video lectures. Today, we will complete our unit number 3, which is at school. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to describe the right and wrong, which things are right and which things are wrong. And you can also explain the meanings of do's and don'ts. Okay, my dear students, you spend your much time in school as you spend most of your time at home, and you learn many things or habits from home, friends, and other fellows. Some things or habits are called the good ones, which we should do to be a good person or a citizen. There are many things which are good, like respecting elders, telling the truth, be kind to others, and honesty as well. If you want that other people who live around us like you and admire you, you must adopt the good habits. And there are many good habits or good deeds which are called the do's. There are also some habits or works which are not good and we should not do as a good person or a citizen. If we adopt such type of habits, then no one likes us, such as fighting with others, telling lies, screaming or shouting, etc. And I know all of you are good children and you always follow the good deeds. Now it is the time for your home task. I know all of you have colors. You have to draw 4 circles on a paper. In 2 circles, write 2 good deeds or right deeds and color them green. Then, in other 2 circles, write 2 wrong deeds and color them red. Take a picture of your work and then send it on this email ID, which is amna@chandbaghdg.edu.pk. Thank you and take care of yourselves.